Halloween is my Super Bowl, part 1. So, Mike and Ezra are at school already. They had morning activities. I am going to wave at their friends on the bus. This is gonna be fun because I'm that extra mom. Ezra's gonna think it's a hoot. Micah's gonna be so embarrassed. Coming to a bus stop near you. One of their teachers always drives by, so he might see me. That means he might tell them so their mom. Their school teacher. Their teacher just drove by. I'm having more fun with this than I thought I would. It's the honking for me. Here's the bus. No kids today. All right, see you later. That's the bus.
Mr. Lele says she saw a woman on the driveway